Seattle is a massive place, which means claiming that you have the best apple pie in the whole city? Well, you better be able to prove that. Here at Alamode Pies, owner Chris Porter has been told that his apple pie wins the award. So in the interest of public service, I better try myself.
The big idea was to open a pie shop in Seattle.
Just a pie shop.
Not just a pie shop. I really wanted it to be like the best pie shop.
Okay, see? You gotta have aspirations.
Exactly. Obviously, you have to have an apple pie that's on the menu.
Here in Washington, yes.
Here in Washington.
That is gorgeous. This is the best apple pie in Seattle, my friends. Wow, it is so chewy and delicious.
Good.
And I bet just full of butter.
With a scoop of ice cream, this is electric.
All right, time to put it to the test.
This is delicious.
That is good apple pie. All right.
That's delicious. Oh my God.
Beautiful apples, nice and tart, not too sweet.
The apples are kind of like,
That bottom pastry is so tender.
It's like the perfect apple pie.
Whoever came up with this recipe, they're in my good book. This is fantastic.
What more do you need?
Nothing. It's great. Absolutely amazing.
If you ever find yourself in need of a pie fix, Alamode Pies here with Chris. This is the place to go right here.